Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, which we are going to explore different open source models, right? If you are in learning phase, right, then you can't able to use some paid models, right? So using some open source models, we can able to create some create multi-agent orchestration, right? So knowing the things, okay, it will help you to create some real world applications. So if you specifically see here, okay, there will be different open source models, right? Okay, these are free models. Okay, Grok, Google Gemini, Llama. Okay, Llama is running on our local system. Okay, with our internet connection. Without our internet connection, okay, without our internet connection, it can able to run in your local system, right? There will be open router. Okay, so with it, everyone, let's dive deep into the concept, right? First one is using Grok. Okay, I can come up with some code. Okay, using some code, okay, we can able to implement via LLM models, right? In this first example, okay, in this first example, we see about researcher agent, okay, technology researcher agent. Okay, in my previous videos we can detailedly discuss about, okay, in this task crew LLM. Okay, so I'm not going to repeat the same thing again. Okay, if you haven't watched my previous videos, okay, I highly suggest you to watch my previous videos, then only you can able to understand this video, right? So first one is crew task. I can already explain this agent task crew in my previous videos and LLM also. Okay, load underscore dot env. This library will specifically help us to load the .env file in this library, right? If you see in this library, okay, .env file, okay, this three keys, okay, Grok API key, Google API key, and Open Router API key. Okay, create these three variables unequal to, okay, and you can able to give your API key. Okay, I can show you right now. Okay, how you can able to get some API key. Okay, this library will help us to load the all variables that is present inside the .env file to our current working file, right? And load .env file. Okay, if you run this file, okay, it will be get executed perfectly. Okay, if you run this cell, it will be get executed smoothly. That means everything is perfect. Okay, there is no issue related with your environment, there is no issue with your folder structure, and there any library. Okay, yes, it will be smoothly run. Okay, and next, if you run this cell, okay, in this cell, okay, it will be executed smoothly. Okay, that means there is no error in your .env file. Okay, and LLM initialization. Okay, LLM initialization model. Okay, this is the provider, Grok provider, and this is model. Okay, Llama 3.3, 70 billion versatile. Okay, this temperature is very crucial. Okay, the temperature range is 0 to 1. Okay, if the value is near to 0, that means your output is deterministic and focused one. Okay, if the temperature value is near to 1, that means your model is more creative. Okay, every time you execute the cell, that means it will give some different creative results. Okay, that's the idea of using temperature here. Okay, let's see how can able to get API key. Okay, if you go see here, okay, Grok, okay, you can type Grok API key. Okay, it will able to take you to the console, Grok console. Okay, and continue to Google. Okay, don't give other, okay, GitHub or any other thing. Okay, continue to Google. Okay, it will ask continue. Okay, it will ask permission to you. Okay, you access to them, continue, press continue. Okay, it can automatically logged. Okay, create account for you. Okay, and just go for this API key. Okay, this API key. Okay, you can go this API key, just print this API key, right? And it will be take to this API key section, right? Just press create API key and give any name. Okay, I can just told one time. Okay, clearly see here. Okay, give any name. Okay, in this display below this text field. Okay, you just enter any name, and just similarly you can give any name. Okay, and create key. Okay, don't touch this. Okay, and create API key, right? This way you can able to create and copy inside the .env file. Copy that the API key in this Grok API key. Okay, in this this way you can paste this APK inside the double quotation, right? And then if you actually execute the cell, okay, it will be successfully get executed, okay. And the first agent is role, goal and backstory, okay. In my previous videos I can teach this concept in depthly, right? So I don't repeat this again, okay. This is the research agent, right? And verbose, this is specifically for logs. Allow delegation, this is specifically for communication. This LLM, okay, I'm integrating this LLM, okay, this LLM installation to this agent, right? And then task, okay. Description, in my previous videos I can teach this in depth, okay. Watch my previous videos. This is the continuation of previous one only, okay. Key features and capabilities, popular frameworks in 2024, use cases and applications, provide a detailed summary, okay. I can tell my agent to research the AI agent frameworks in depthly, right? So comprehensive research report on AI agent framework strict with 500 tokens, right? I am integrating this agent name, okay, this agent name into my tasks, okay. This is key. And I am initializing Crew, okay. I am creating Crew instance, okay. Here Crew agents, okay, give the name, agent name, and in, similarly give the task name, okay, this task name to this tasks, right? And variables for specifically seeing the logs, okay. I am executing the cell, okay. I am executing the cell, it will be get executed. I am executing this, I am initializing, running the Crew, right? Here if you see Crew execution started, okay. In my previous videos I can teach you that this thing, right? Whenever the Crew gets started, execution gets started, right, it will be only read the task description, okay. Research the latest development AI agent frameworks, key features, capabilities, popular frameworks in 2024, use cases and applications, provide detailed summary, right? If you see the definition of task, okay, the same one, okay. The task execution will immediately go to the task, okay, and it will be able to analyze the task description, okay. Based on that only it can be able to act, okay. That's why task description is very, very important, right? In my previous videos I can teach the same way, right? It will read the task description first, then it will able to start the execution, okay. Let's see how beautiful it can able to generate the answer, okay. Key features, agent frameworks typically provide the following key features, right? And then popular frameworks, okay, Java agent development framework, right? Apache Airflow, right? Microsoft Bot framework, Google Cloud AI platform, right? How beautifully it can able to generate report, right? And then finally task completion, okay, this is for final Crew completion, right? And then finally you can able to see the results, okay. Research report, agent frameworks, right? Introduction, key features and capabilities, okay. Face the video and read from your side, right? Popular frameworks of 2024, okay. Conclusion, okay, simple. Just get your AP key and paste inside your .env file, okay, and execute the file. It can able to smoothly run, okay. The next one is Llama, okay. How can able to run the Llama file, right? Here we can execute this grok, right? It will be completed, right? Next one is this Llama, this file, this Llama file, right? Okay, before how we can able to get this Llama, right? I can tell you, okay, just type llama.com, right? Llama in your Google browser, okay. Just type Llama and hit enter, it will be like that, right? And similarly, okay, how you can log into your grok, okay, you can able to log it into your Llama, right? It can ask you continue with Google, continue with GitHub, continue with Facebook, okay, continue with Google, okay, continue with Google, and it can able to ask it permission, okay, give continue, okay, and it will get automatically logged into your account, right? And then download, okay, if you just press download this for specifically if you want the install Windows, okay, they give some option, okay, download, it will be get download. In this you can see download, okay, and if it downloads successfully, okay, and click next exit, it will be in the, if you see specifically, it will be download on your local system, okay. If you see in the left side bottom, okay, if you see in left side bottom, it will be come here, right? Llama, that means you have successfully installed Llama on your local system, right? And then open your CMD, okay, CMD, just run, okay, go models, okay, go models and pick up any model. Okay, pick up any models. Okay, if you want specifically, there is lot of model, huge models. Okay, huge list, lot of models is available. Okay, go with one model, copy that model, right? Just copy the just this command. Okay, and paste in your terminal, just hit enter. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, it will be automatically get downloaded, right? And then once it get downloaded, okay, and just enter Llama list. Okay, if you write, it will be comes. Okay, all the models. Okay, the models that you are downloading in your local system, all the list, it will be come like this way, right? And just copy that model which you downloaded. Okay, and paste in your code, right? Similarly, I'm pasting here, right? I'm pasting here, right? And then just execute the file. Just wait a minute. It will be able to connecting to the my file, right? Just interrupt. What's the issue? Oh, my system gets stuck. That's 1 minute. I am restarting my terminal, right? Just wait a minute, guys. Just restarting my terminal. I'm restarting my terminal because my system gets stuck. Okay, it will be opened. Takes time to load the env files. Okay, sorry, it takes time to load the kernel. Okay, select kernel python access environment. Let's see whether it comes for environment. Let's come, just press this CrewAI crash course, right? And then run your we click it starting to execute it. It started to execute. Let's see. Okay, in this way you can able to give the downloaded model. Okay, in your local system, just press enter. Once you download the model, okay, Llama list. Okay, it will be list on all your models. Okay, just copy the any of one model, right, and paste inside the after this slash, right? That's it, simple. Oh, it takes a lot of time. Okay, get executed. .env file. Okay, run this one, and then this is different code, right? Previous one we saw about researcher. Okay, right now this is senior code reviewer agent, right? I'm come with some different example, right? Not same example, come with some different example. Okay, I'm giving some role senior code reviewer. Okay, review code for best practices, bugs, and optimization opportunities. You are a meticulous senior developer with 15 years of experience. You have sharp eye code quality, security issues, and performance bottlenecks. So, both specifically for logs, seeing the logs, allow delegation for communication. As of now, I'm disabled the parameter, right? This is I'm integrating this LLM model to this agent, right? And similarly for task, right? Review the following Python code and provide the code. This is the code I get code. I'm providing the agent to check this all things, right? Code quality assessment, potential bugs or edge cases, optimization suggestion. Okay, best practice recommendation. Okay, I'm integrating the agent to my task, right? Agent code reviewer, expected output Okay, some detailed code review with actionable feedback, stick with 500 tokens, because I'm not if I'm not specifying this to my agent, okay, it will give some long answer. That's why stick with 500 tokens. Not detail, give precise, give a precise and concise code review with actionable feedback, stick with 500 tokens, right? So I'm executing the cell. Okay, it will smoothly get executed. Okay, similarly, okay, agents, give your agent name, task, give your name, give your task name. Okay, verbose, this is specifically for seeing the logs. Okay, I'm executing the cell. Okay, it will be executed smoothly, right? And then running my crew. Okay, it will be smoothly running without any error. Okay, guys, it will take time, right? It will take time because it will be running on our local system. If you see, it will be running on our local system. Okay, the special thing is using Llama, once you download the model, okay, for installing the model you will require input connection. Okay, while running the code, okay, there is no need for internet connection. That's the main function of using Llama models, right? See how beautiful the answer is. Okay, code quality assessment, potential bugs or edge cases. Okay, waste code example, right? The def calculate. Okay, the final output is, okay, face the video and you can go through the agent's response, right? Huge response, the final answer. Okay, this is Llama. Okay, without internet connection you can able to use this model in your local system. Okay, the model will be running on your local system. Okay, we see it. Okay, we learned about using Grok, Llama, this open source, two open source models, right? And the fourth one is open router. Okay, let's see how can able to get API key, right? The Grok model we see. Okay, Grok is not required. Grok, let's remove this instance. Okay, open router. Open router, just write this open router A. It will be this, come to this page, right? And then goes click the first link. Okay, click the second link, open router A, and it will be comes to this page, right? And just similarly, okay, similarly how you logged into Grok and Llama. Okay, log with your, continue with your Google, right? Just give continue to Google, they will ask permission to you. Okay, continue. Okay, they automatically create a account in open router, right? You don't need to do anything, right? Just continue, right? Continue with Google, right? So if you similarly you can see in your system, right? And in this symbol, right, in left side, okay, you see this key. Okay, just press keys. Okay, it will be take to this space, workspace, right? This page, right? And create API key. Create API key. Just give any name, type any name. Okay, and create API key. Just do, guys, simple things. Okay, give any name and just press this button, create. Okay, you can, this will be the API key will be shown. Okay, and copy the API key. Okay, copy the API key, come with this .env file. Okay, and paste the API key, open router. Similarly you can paste this API key. Okay, and activate your environment, just run the cell. Okay, just run the cell. Simple guys. Okay, simple things. Okay, just go open router.ai. Okay, continue with your Google. They ask permission, continue. Okay, you will see this page, right? This icon keys. Okay, you can able to see this page in your system. Okay, create API key. Okay, it will be give the API key, copy the API key. Okay, come and paste in your .env file, and then go to this file, activate your VNV. Okay, then run the cell. Okay, it will be automatically run. Okay, see, there is no any issue. Okay, if you run this cell, okay, load.env, okay, if it comes false, okay, the cell output becomes false. Okay, that means there is any issue, there is some issue in your .env file. Okay, and then I am run this file. Okay, Similarly, okay, this open router is my platform, okay, and then this is my model name, okay, this is my model name, okay, this is base URL, this is mandatory, okay, and this is temperature, okay, as I already explained this parameter, okay. Just run this cell, okay, and this is different example compare with the previous one, okay. The first example is researcher, okay, tech researcher, and the next one is we learned about code reviewer, and this specifically for data analyst, okay. Similarly guys, okay, we can implement any code, okay. In my future videos I am going to cover different examples, okay, come with different examples, different projects, okay. Crew is, that's why Crew is better framework, okay. They give it, it will work on teams, okay, multi-agent orchestration way, right. So data analyst analyze data patterns and provide actionable business insight. You are an experienced data analyst with expertise in statistical analysis, okay. You can walk through the code, okay, verbose, okay, all delegation, I'm integrating this LLM to my agents, right. Okay, I'm giving some data, okay, monthly sales data, okay, January, February, $30, $135, okay, March, similarly May, June, okay. I am asking the LLM to give trend analysis, key observations, prediction for next quarter, recommendation for growth, okay. Using the existing data, I am asking some future expectations, right, recommendation for growth, prediction for next quarter, key observation, trend analysis, okay. And my expected, I am integrating my data analysis, this agent to my task, okay. Agent is equal to data analyst, this name. If you see this name, this similar name, okay. I'm expected output to be a comprehensive data analysis report with insights and recommendation with 6 to 500 token, okay. Because if I don't specify this criteria to my agent, okay, it will give some long answers, okay. It will take too much of time. That's why if I give some specific criteria, okay, stick with some 500 tokens, okay, it will give some less answer. That's why I'm giving this stick with 500 tokens, right. I'm executing this cell, okay, and I'm creating Crew, okay, data analyst agents with data analyst, this name, right, this name, and analyst task, okay, and verbose, okay, giving run the cell, okay, I think I run this cell, okay, and then I'm running the Crew, okay. If you see specifically it run, okay, it will analyze, okay, open router, okay, similar to OpenAI, it will able to thought, observe, action, okay, it will able to run like that. Some LLM AP key error, right, open router, okay, I am executed previously, that's why they are giving some rate limit error, okay. This error is not related to our code, right, this is related to AP key. I am reaching my rate limit error, okay. In your case, okay, in your case it will be get executed smoothly, okay. Guys, the error is not related to my code, right, this is related to rate limit, okay. In your case, okay, if you are executing this first time, right, it will be get executed smoothly, right. So let's see another model, right, Google Gemini, okay. Google Gemini is also similar, okay. You can go to Google AI Studio, okay, just enter Google AI Studio in your Google web browser, okay. It will be take, they ask you similarly they, you can give continue with Google, okay, and they ask permission, okay, continue, okay, and similarly in your system you can see this web page, right, and create API key, give any name, create API key, right, just easy, and paste your API key in your Google API key, just simple, and save the file, close that, okay, run this file, right, get executed smoothly, right. Takes time, okay, compare with the .py file, okay, it takes to so much of time to execute, okay. If I am executing this same code with my .py file, okay, it will execute it smoothly, okay. This not take this much of time, okay. .py file takes less time, okay. That's the main power of using .py file, okay. I'm executing load env file, there is no any issue, okay. Similarly Gemini and Gemini 2.5 flash, I'm giving this model, right. Similarly, if you go Gemini models, okay, I refresh this page. Okay, usage billings. Okay, just a minute, guys. Google models. Google Gemini models. Okay, just type the models. Once you get the API and search Google Gemini models. Okay, it will take. There is different models. Okay, just copy the model. Okay, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Flashlight. Okay, copy that model. Okay, copy that model and paste this model section. Okay, after the slash you can paste. Okay, just run. It will be run smoothly. The cell will be run smoothly, and this time I'm comes with the content writer. Okay, paste the video, guys, and go through the code, right? Go through the role, goal and backstory, right? Similarly, okay, there is no any issue with the code. I think it's simple code, right? Just execute the code, it will be get executed. Just run the cell. Okay, it will be get executed. Now you can run this. It take time. Okay, how see specifically giving using some Gemini models. Okay, beautiful. Do the just paste the video, right? Go through this code, guys. Result. Okay, agent result, agent output. That's how you can able to implement in your site, right? Today I'm showing different ML LLM models. Okay, how can able to integrate this LLM model into your code. Okay, we saw about these models, right? This Gemini, this Llama, this open router, right? In my open router we can face some rate limit error. Okay, in your case if you are executing this first time, right, it will be executed smoothly, right? We can see grok successfully we get executed, Gemini we can successfully get executed, Llama, okay, we can also able to see this is also get executed successfully, and open router this will not, it will throw some error. Okay, this error is not related to my code. Okay, this is related to rate limit error. Okay, each and every this grok is also have rate limit error, this Gemini is also have rate limit error, this open router is also have rate limit error. That's why I'm giving some multiple options to you, right? So if you face any issue with related to rate limit error, you can jump into this Google Gemini. Similarly, if this you can use this model a lot. Okay, you can face rate limit error, grok, okay, with Google. Okay, you can jump into this open router. Okay, you have some different options. Okay, you have some different options. So that's the main idea using some grok, Google, open router, Llama, right? These are the best open source model in my experience, I'm saying, right? I hope you understand this concept in depth, right? Similarly, you can integrate these models in your projects also, right? So with that everyone, thank you for watching my videos, right?